Alright, for this standard I did Chapter 6 Review Problem 33, solved by the Laplace transform, showing the details and graphing the solution. So this is the equation for this problem with initial conditions y of 0 equals 0 and y prime of 0 equals 0. So for the Laplace transform, you do the equation. For this term, it's s squared big Y of s minus s y of 0 minus y prime of 0. For this term, it's 3s y of s minus 3y of 0. And then for this term, it's 2y of s. And then equals the Laplace for this one from a graph is, or from a table is 2 over s times e to the negative 2s. So from there, we gather the terms. The ones with y were s squared plus 3s plus 2. And then the other ones all cancel out because the initial conditions still equal to this 2 over s e to the negative 2s. We have s squared plus 3s plus 2, which equals s plus 2 times s plus 1. So we can divide by that and get it to the other side. Then we can separate the fraction up so you can find each individual term from the separate tables. So we get 1 from this term, 2e to the negative 2 minus t from this term, and then e to the negative 2 t minus 2 from this term. The t minus 2's come from actually this. And then the negative 1 comes from that one, and the negative 2 right there comes from right there, just to specify. And then the negative 2 in front of this one comes from this negative 2 right here. And then 1 of s is obviously just 1. And then to graph it, so at t equals 2, it's going to be 0 because 1 minus 2 plus 1 is obviously 0. On the left side of 2, it goes towards 0, but I don't think it ever quite gets there. It would keep going up, and then to the right, it approaches 1 and stays right about there.